name is Chief Francis Inegbeniki, the immediate past state vice chairman of the APC. I resigned my appointment 2 weeks ago to join the largest party in Africa, the PDP. I must confess that I didn't know that you will receive me this way. I didn't know you will honor me this way. This way, I never know you will honor me this way. Honor me this way. Thank you, my Lord. I must say that myself and my numerous supporters, we have come to join the PDP to deliver a very competent candidate, a man with capacity, a man that is loved. I must say the PDP did a good job by electing a very qualified and competent candidate. By the grace of God, we will join hands with you to deliver him come September 21st. Yes, as you can see, the distractions, whatever you are seeing is just to tell you that the other party, they are not ready for the elections. They are looking for a shortcut, but we will not allow them. We will not give them. We will block all those loopholes. I assure you, sir, we will work and work to deliver Asue Ighodalo as the next governor of Edo. Thank you very much, sir. Grateful.